High returns, real yield, that's something we're all wanting to get in crypto and especially in DeFi. So this is what my entire journey of this channel is all about, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at Trader Joe on Avalanche. So as you can see here, we're on the Trader Joe website. I'm not going into all the information on it, but it's pretty much a DEX, a decentralized exchange. It allows you to trade, farm, stake, buy NFTs and a host of other things. And I'll probably do a deeper dive on this in a later video. But for this video we're interested in the pools, so obviously providing liquidity. We're interested in, at the moment in time, I'm interested in one. So this is the Joe and AVAX pool. This is down here at 186%. Currently it's incentivized again by extra rewards, you can see here, as a boost campaign. But they also have another one here that caught my eye, was BTC and AVAX again, which is 242%. Now, I have two options to pick here, obviously the BTC and the Joe one. However, for this purpose I will be going into the Joe and AVAX, and I'll kind of go into a bit more detail of this now in a minute. But the Joe pool itself, you can see it here. It's a little bit different than what we're used to with concentrated liquidity. It is concentrated liquidity, but it's not done in an entire kind of area price point. They're done in bins. So you can see here, you'll set your prices, your min, your max like normal, but your bins is what changes. So if we were to look at the price itself, or the analytics of this, you can see here the current price we're on. In this bin there's 1.1 million Joe tokens, and there's where is it gone? It's 2,300 AVAX token. So this pretty much means is once it becomes more AVAX or more Joe, it'll move to the up or down to the next bin to start the buying and selling from it. So that's what dictates the price, helps dictate the price, and overall which bins you're getting into. So if you have your range set for 12 bins, for example, it'll go 6 on this side and 6 on the upside. So it's just to give you an idea of it. The pool itself has pretty much a base fee, so you have a 0.25% base fee to get into it. The max fee is 1.39. Now this will change, the base fee and the max fee. So the max fee is what it can ever go up to, and the base fee is what it's at the moment. And as things start to pump more and increase in general, these will change, and hence obviously the APRs and stuff will change as well. So you can see here the spot is obviously in the one area. The curve is going to have more in the current price bin, and then tailor off on the way out, and then you're going to have the opposite version here, so less in the mid and more as it builds out around it. So in this scenario, yes, you still want to set your prices. So again, it gives you an idea here. When we're looking at Dexscreener, you can see the ranges that I would have set for this. I will be obviously looking to get into this position in the next day or two I can, once I allocate some funds or move some funds around. And these are the ranges I will be looking at. Again, this is only a 7 or 8% range, I think. So if we go to DeFi Llama, and if you go over to DeFi Llama, scroll right down, you see the section down here, correlation. This is pretty much allows us to get an idea of the best pools and how they move in comparison to one another. So in this scenario, I just put in Bitcoin and Ethereum just to get an idea. And as I said, if I was going to get into Bitcoin and AVAX, you can see here the correlation is 0.70. Now it has to be closer to 1 for it to be obviously matching each other in correlation kind of. The closer to 1 the better. So you can see here at 0.7 we're a little bit away from that. You can obviously see Bitcoin and Joe is 0.48, so it's it's not great at all. And if we look at AVAX down here, you can see again the 0.7, but if you move over here to AVAX and Joe, you can see the 0.91. So this pretty much means that AVAX and Joe move in similar price moves. So they go up and they go kind of down together. And this is kind of confirmed again if we look over here at CoinGecko. You can see the Avalanche price chart for the last year. You can see it here. And if we quickly switch over then to Joe, you can see similarities in the price. So again, clicking back over to the Avalanche, and from there clicking right back to the Joe one again, you can see that there is very similar price structure and price movements, and that's going to reduce our overall risk of impermanent loss and reduce that. The next part, what I will end up doing is with my rewards is putting them in here. In this here you can stake your Joe and turn it to S-Joe basically and stake it, and this will get you 11% roughly return. This is based on the 30 days metrics. So again, what happens is any of the revenues and fees, that percentage of that the Trader Joe platform earns, gets distributed to token holders. So I have another wallet set up with a different account, and you can see here roughly what I have, and this is probably for the last maybe 2 or 3 months of up and running. So it's not extreme high amounts, but as I said, it's slowly and surely earning for me. I have my small Joe bag that I will look to build out on, and I also have real USDC rewards that I can use to whatever I want to do. What I have been doing is just claiming this and compounding it back in until we hit a bull run. So yeah, look, as I said, that's pretty much it. I will do a video of me adding the liquidity in a day or two, so make sure if you found this video general content helpful, interesting, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you're involved already, or there are different pools as always and different chains. I'm we'll be happy to find out about them as well. So again, thanks very much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you.